YouTube. Welcome back for another react here. So for today, we got ourselves some Beanie. They recently attended the Billboard Top 100 in Korea, and I believe they've got awards together with SB19. So I want to check out their performance. I'm so happy for them because they truly deserve the attention that they're getting right now. Especially, alam mo yun, yung mga, kung alam lang ng iba yung mga pinagdaanan nila with the previous, like when they debuted and during the pandemic, alam mo yun, sobrang pinaghirapan nila kung nasan sila ngayon. So I get why there are a lot of haters as well because, not everybody can love you. Alam mo yun. Pero my God, what can you not love with these girls? They are really good. They are very in sync. Their voices, oh my God, they have different tones, which makes their singing really, really good. So anyway, let me stop and let's watch their performance. They just posted this the other day. I think they did the what do you call this? The cherry on top and the Pantropico. So without further ado, let's watch them. Hopefully the audio is good because live performances, a lot of can happen. But yeah. Wait, I can't hear it that much. Volume, please. All right, again. Sorry about that. Oh, the fits, the outfits look so good. Kuya, alis ka dyan. Let me just say, sobrang gusto ko yung outfit ni Stacy. I also love Maloy's outfit. And, syempre si Aya. Outfit ni Aya maganda. I love Ben's outfit too, but the three, Aya, Stacy, and Maloy's outfit is a banger. Go Colette. Get it. Ang cute ni Maloy. Oh my God. A twirl. Not your average girl. Oh my God, I can't stop singing. Oh, get it! Dance break for y'all. Let's go. Oh, yes. Satisfying yung pagpasok ng Pantropic ko. Sobrang satisfying yung pagpasok ng Pantropico because a lot of Koreans did the Pantropico challenge. So, it's just right na, alam mo yun, they perform it because dun sila nakilala eh. So, people would say like, sila pala yun. Diba? But I love the dance break. Sobrang Stig. Ang kulit, ang kulit ng baby ko. Pag narinig niyo siya doon, pansin na lang. Ang hilig mo nagpaalam. Ayun. Gwen pala yun. Wala naman dito. Awesome. All right, can I just say, ang ganda ng outfit nila here. Like, oh my God. Let me see all of them. Nang malapitan. So pretty, yeah. Can we just go back to the dance break? Because it is so good. Wala tayo. Oh, Sheena! Yeah. Wow. Sobrang I dig yung outfit ni Stacy. Ano? Dapat pagtama, kahit humilig na. Sorry guys ha, nirewatch ko na kasi wala lang. I can feel it holding my world. Oh shit. Get it, my lord. I love it. Sobra. I'm so happy for them, so proud that they're from the Philippines, and ang tawag dito, it's time for us like to, alam mo yun, iangat yung musikang Pilipino, like OPM music. And a lot of people, like I watch other video reacts, they love our language. For some reason, it sounds really, really good to their ears, just because siguro it's not, they're not familiar with the language. It's like when we hear other language songs na, like about French or maybe Espanol, we try to learn it. It's just kind of like that. Like when we heard, when we first heard, alam mo yun, Despacito, sobrang, oh, ano kayong lyrics nito, ganyan ganyan. Kasi I sing also, hindi naman ako galing nila, no? Parang ano, hobby lang ganyan. Pero whenever I hear something like that, parang ang ganda sa ear. So parang I feel like they felt the same way na pag narinig nila yung language natin Tagalog. It feels it sounded good. So yeah, I was just really happy that you know, Beanie and SB19, alam mo yun, nakataas talaga yung bandera ng Pinas sa music nila. And the good thing here is they did not, I mean, Cherry on Top is intended for international audience, but the good thing here is that they have a good amount of Tagalog songs as well, which I hope they won't forget, because that's what people love in the first place. I feel like the other people, they, I mean the foreigners, they like Beanie mostly on the Tagalog songs. Like they prefer Carrera than Cherry on Top. Some preferred what do you call this? Strings, and what else? Kasi yung strings meron din rap version, and then ang tawag dito, may Tagalog version din siya, alam mo yun? So, yun, they have a good amount of Tagalog. Well, what I'm saying is that sana, um, it's not gonna continue like Cherry on Top na full English, na meron pa rin Tagalog, ganyan. Kasi maganda siya. Ayun lang. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed our react for today. And I hope you will support me by liking and subscribing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again. Bye.